Imagine somebody say that, you know why God did not say he that findeth a man findeth a good thing? Because men are wicked. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to DVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. On this episode of Palava, somebody's heart has been shattered. In this celebration of Eid, somebody's heart has been shattered into pieces, and she's crying out that men are very mean creatures. That is why they go on cheating and breaking women's hearts. Take a look at this video. See how this lady felt when she was opening up her experience with one of the male gender.
Some men know that they will never find evil. Like whatever they do, I swear to God, no matter what you give to God, no matter how much forgiveness you seek, Jamie, you never find evil. God will look at everywhere that they pray it today, Jamie. God will judge you. So me and Jamie started dating like 3 months ago. Everything was going fine. He's a nice guy. He used to spend money on me. And I asked Jamie, are you married? To be sincere. He said he's not married. Do you have kids? He said no. He's 35 years old. He's rich. I said, okay, fine. So I was supposed to spend Eid at my mom's place. But because of Ilya preparation, I now went to my auntie's place in Shomolu. So actually I went for Eid. Yeah. I know Jamie is living in Shomolu. You know Temi is living in Shomolu. So as we prayed Eid finish, we were going outside. I saw Jamie. I'm like, what is Jamie doing in Shomolu? I saw a woman. I saw 3 children. They were looking like family. I don't want to believe. I thought maybe it's a look at like. I don't want to ask one auntie. The auntie says he's a regular in their central mosque. That's his wife and his children. I don't want to approach Jamie. As Jamie saw me, I started doing like this. He now look at me and say, Aisha, how are you doing? This is my, he just told his wife that I'm his friend mommy's child. His mommy's friend child or whatever is it. And I said, Jamie, what do you? I look at him. Jamie now told him, I say, this is my wife. He have the audacity to introduce me to his wife. And I look at his child. 3 beautiful children. He have a grown daughter. The daughter is like 11 years old. I look at her, I say, I wanted to tell the wife, but because of the fear of God that is in me, I don't want to spoil the children family. I know, because I know how it feels like to be in a broken home. I kept quiet. Jamie, God will judge you. Jamie, whatever you're looking for in this life, I swear, Jalla, subhanallah. Jamie, not all will jam you for me.
You know what's funny for this video? The part that she said Jamie was cutting eye for her. You do eye like this, you do eye like this, make you know cast. You see, apart from cruise, you know women and men are not the same, because men actually get away with a lot of things in Nigeria, especially on cheating. You can imagine having a whole relationship in your mind and you did not know that the guy is married. So men these days, most of the guys don't wear their wedding band, they don't wear their wedding ring. They even go about telling women that they are single, that they are not even married. Even the ones that you know that they have stopped adding weight. You know, when a guy is single and when a guy is married, you can tell the difference. You see that you don't they chop for nights, you know, all those things you get. And these men will go about their day and start telling these ladies that they are not married, that they don't say they are even single, as much as they are even looking for somebody to marry. And the women folks will put all their mind, you will invest, you see, women will now like invest their whole mind in that relationship, thinking that the guy is single. You know, gonna say guy man is a married man. A married man with full-blown family, beautiful children, beautiful wife. Guy man go tell you say, you know, marry. He's not married just to chop up where. Men do it. And number one is, first of all, is not good. You can imagine the heartbreak inside Easter celebration for them, inside Salah celebration, person they die slowly because hearts it don't scatter to pieces. This is not good now. If you know say you know go marry the babe, tell them. And my folks, my women gender, my female gender, please, you should know when this guy is married. There are some things. If a guy, see, let me tell you, if you are dating somebody, if you call the guy from 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and this person did not pick the first one, he did not pick the second one, you call the guy the first time, the second time, the third time, for that from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, this guy doesn't pick. Obviously, he's in a relationship or he's married, because you don't expect somebody that is married to start taking calls. Some even go as far as taking those calls, and you will not know till they chop that up. You can imagine. She say the guy is fending for her, providing everything. You know what they pain the girl past. The guy was providing for her in everything. You know, say as this Casaladon boss, maybe she's so heartbroken that she no go take the thing again. She will just opt out and go away. Some good ones will go away, no continue the relationship. The ones when no send their papa, you go continue the relationship. They chop. You go say on how the guy no tell them waiting consign them. You know, they will continue say waiting. Women do it and still men do it. On the other part, you're deceiving yourself, because if you're in a relationship with a married guy is married with family, you're deceiving yourself, because the time you're investing in that relationship, you can invest it in your career, in your business, in your school. You go carry relationship for head like gala for traffic. You go say this guy don't marry. Men that I said it in this video earlier, that why somebody said that is why God did not say he that findeth a man findeth a good thing, because they know say men normally na liars. He said, Jamil, you go cry blood. Anyway, however you feel about this video, let's continue the conversation on the comment section. If you're a guy doing this thing to a babe, no they do them. If you're a babe, shine your eye, because these men, they no go agree say they don't marry, because they just want chop up with palava, they finish. So however you feel about this video, leave your comments on the comment section. If you are my regular watcher, thank you for being here, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video, share this video as much as you can. For my girls who then they deceive, who know they know the red flag when they see, so turn on notification bell, comments however you feel about this video. We'll see your girl Bella. Peace out.